Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bossy Code, and I'm going to be showing you in this video something very different that is different from what we've been doing recently. And what I'm going to be showing you in this video is how to safeguard yourself from attacks. We all know that at one point at a time we downloaded some malicious software unknowingly, and let me quickly show you something. If you look at this statistic, you're going to see that with an average of 97 cybercrime victims per hour, that means that every hour we are having about 97 cybercrime victims per hour. This means that they are a victim of cybercrime every 37 seconds. In addition, 2 internet users have had their data leaked every second in 2022. Can you see this is it? Said 2 internet users have had their data leaked every second in 2002, and this is actually not a true statistic, guys, because this is not really true compared to 2024, whereby data are released every now and then, cyber breaches or data breaches everywhere. And that is why I've actually decided to do this video, so as to mitigate this risk. Many of us that actually download something online, that will go online to download some certain set of things, some files online, some softwares and all. Those software, there's every possibility that this software might be encoded with some malicious malwares, and these malicious malware might be there to just either steal your data, or to just use your phone or your device as a botnet, which is a coordinated robot attack by a threat actor. Okay, now let's leave that. Let me just really show you. If you're on the internet and you download something a lot, or you're always really visiting some certain website, this is what you need to do. You need to come to this website. The name of the website is VirusTotal. The name of the website is VirusTotal, and then on VirusTotal, you see I had to Google it. I'm going to drop the link of the website below. So this is the graphic user interface of the VirusTotal. Okay, and what are you going to do on this? This VirusTotal is going to analyze official files, domains, IPs, and URLs to detect malware and other breaches and then you are going to automatically share them with the security community. And what does that mean? If you are going to really scan a file, if you have a file you downloaded on your phone, before you open the file, it is advisable for you to scan the file for virus. Listen, before you open the file. Do you understand? Alright, I'm going to do a live demonstration now, whereby I'm going to just go on the website or on the internet and download any random software. Alright, just give me a few minutes while I do that. Okay, let me do that and get into PC. I'm going to go to a website, a general website called Get Into PC, and this PC, we're going to see our softwares there. Alright, so I know many of us actually know this is where we really get some certain softwares that we use for our wherever. So let me just see. I will click on probably antivirus or something. Okay, so let me just get anything. Alright, so I'm going to use this. I will be careful with the 58 MB. The setup size is just 58 MB, so I can just download now. So the file is getting downloaded. As you see, this is just a random website, just like what I said. This is just a random website, and on this random website, you're just going to wait and download. So let us read why the file is on this way, why it's being downloaded. Alright, so now the file is already downloaded. Now let's see how we're going to do that. As I've said, this is just a random file that I got from a random website, and I want to show you how to really get this done. Okay, so always we are going to scan all the major utilities that we actually use online, so as to not get caught into a malicious web. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you right now. I want to upload the file. I just downloaded it. This is about. I'm going to choose the file from my. I'm going to choose the file. Okay, so this is going to be it. Alright, this is the file. This is the file that I've chosen, and then I'll click on it, and then I'll just click on open. So let's see. As you can see that it's having about computing hash and then that. So I'm going to confirm upload. So the system is being uploaded. I have about less than 70% to go, and we're almost done with the upload. So you are going to see how this website is going to display every detail of this software. So this website is going to show you if there's possibility of virus or malware on your system. So let us see. As you can see, everything is being detected, checking, but let us wait while everything is being checked. Let's wait. As you can see, the analysis is going on, and there are some certain things that is coming back to let us know what is going on. Alright, so let us hold on. When this is done, I'll let you know. Okay, so I think it's done. As you can see, the community score, as you can see, no security vendors flag this file as malicious. That means that it has not been reported yet. When you see this, it means that it has not been reported yet as a flagged issue. And the community score, only registered user can vote. So I cannot see this community score here until I am logged in. Do you understand? So if you really want to go or know more about any of your file, you should try to log in, sign up, and then the process is intuitive from there. So let's continue. Let's see all the analysis that is being checked. Let's see. Said undictated, lab undictated. When it is undictated like this, that means that every of these parameters, can you see all of these parameters? All of these parameters are the parameters we are going to, this is what the algorithm uses to dictate, I mean the software now, to dictate if there is possibility of malware in your files. Do you understand? So as you can see, everyone is undictated, and then though Avast Mobile was not able to process the file type, though we do not know we do not really know the file type and all. So, but the majority, I think we have about, for me to, if I'm going to give this a percentage, we have about 78 to 80% clear of. I think that is okay for those files. I can use it. And then if peradventure your check is red and all, just know that everything there is not good. Okay, so let us see what we're going to see on details, and then let's see. So the basic properties and all is actually a compressed file in RAR format, so we can see that. Then the first submission, now let us see, the first submission of this was about 2024, I think. Yeah, so we are the first person to actually submit this file for analysis, and there hasn't been any issue so far, and I think this is really good. Let us see what the community is saying. No comment found by the community, so this file is actually a good one. Okay, so that is how you're going to check if your file is really good, if you can go on to open your file. And then there's every tendency for you to find some certain things there that is not really good. Make sure you check for each of the files, because data breach cost industries a lot of money, and it can cost you your life. Yes, it can cost you your life. You should be careful with where you download your stuff. You should be careful with how you safeguard yourself on the internet, and you should be cyber cautious. Okay, so that is why I'm doing this video, for you to actually put this into your notice. So another thing that we do, another mistake that we do as a person is the URL. Let us go, if for example this is to us to know. So I'm still going to be using this URL, this same URL as a case study. I'm going to come to this place, and we're going to scan the URL, get into pieces in name. So we're going to scan the URL from here, and let us see what we're going to get. So the URL is being scanned now. Now, as you can see, everything is clean. Okay, so though one of the algorithm, which is Grindesoft is actually a software company that is being used to check for malicious software on the site also. So look at this. I think it is only one that actually flagged this website that's not recommended, and I think the rest of them are good. So Alpha SOC does not flag it. I think we are good with that, and then I think the rest is good. So this website is also a website that we can really trust. So this is how you do it. Okay, let us see what communities are saying. As you can see, a year ago, many people really dropped some, say link to know more were likely distributed as part of an AI attack involving a compromised YouTube account. See the following link for more information. Okay, so now whenever you submit a URL for check, always come to the to the community section to know what the community people are saying. As you can see, some people have voted this website to be very good. Most people voted it to be a very good website. So that means that, of course, there's no how you can be very perfect, that people will not still say something negative about you. Really, it's normal. This is from a year ago. I have 11 months here, so that means that the latest vote we have here is about 11 months, and which is still okay. And out of about 10 votes that we are looking at here, only 3 seems to disagree with the right thing. So I think this website is okay. I'm only showing you all of this and telling you or showing you how you can use this web app to your advantage, so as you will not fall victim of internet fraud or cyber crime or cyber attack. It is very, very impossible. As you can see, it has about 96 score. Okay, 96 community score. So what I would just advise you is that if you really want to see more about anything you're doing, sign up as a member, so that you can know what the community is talking about there. So if I've given you value in this video, just drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. watch out for more. In my subsequent video, I'm going to be creating a playlist on Python coding, and we're going to start from the start. And if you something you want to know how to do, because I'm going to be teaching you Python from cybersecurity perspective and also data analysis perspective. I will teach you everything you need to know on Python and how it is being used and what you can do. It's going to be a bit-sized lesson. And okay, let me just stop there. So moving on, just subscribe, comment if you have a question. We'll see you in the next video.